Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install IT tools on your Ubuntu 24.4 server. By the end of this video you will be able to use it.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating the packages, install Docker using the following command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Once Docker is installed, the easiest way to run IT tools is with a single command. And that is exactly what we will use. After the download and launch are complete, open your web browser and go to your server IP address with port 8080. Now you can start working with IT tools. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.